Tired of teammates asking you for the same list of issues over and over? Like, hey, can you send me that filter again? You put in all that effort to build the perfect Jira filter, and now you have to repeat yourself every single time someone needs it. Let me show you how to share that saved filter in just a few clicks so everyone stays on the same page instantly. Here is exactly what we are going to do. I will walk you through the Jira interface step by step, clicking through each button so you can see it for yourself. We will cover how to share a filter with specific people or entire teams, and I have a pro tip about adding an optional message that makes the whole thing way more useful. Start by logging into your Jira account. Just open up your browser, head to your company's Jira instance, and sign in like you normally would. Nothing fancy here. Now, navigate to your saved filters. On the left side panel, you will see a menu with different options. Look for the one that says Filters and click on it. This is where all your saved searches live. If you have been using Jira for a while, you might have quite a collection built up by now. Pick the filter you want to share from the list. You will see all your saved filters displayed there. Just click on the one you want to distribute to your team. Maybe it is that filter you built for tracking all the high-priority bugs, or maybe it is the one that shows every issue assigned to your sprint team. Whatever it is, go ahead and select it. Now, look for the Share button at the top right of the screen. It's usually right up there next to other options like Edit or Subscribe. Click that Share button. This is where the magic happens. Type in the names of the people or the teams you want to share this filter with. Jira will start suggesting matches as you type, so you can just pick the right person from the dropdown. If you want to share it with an entire team, that works too. Just type the team name and select it. This is way faster than sending the same filter link to everyone individually. Trust me. Now, here is something important to understand. When you share a filter, the recipients will see the name of your filter and any message you include. They will not get lost or confused about what they are looking at. The filter name itself shows up right there in their notifications, so they know exactly what you have shared with them. You also have the option to add a message. This is completely optional, but in my experience, it makes a huge difference. You can type something like, "Hey team, please use this filter for this week's stand-up review." It gives context and saves everyone from having to ask what the filter is for. Just a quick note can prevent a lot of back and forth. Finally, click the Share button to confirm. And that is it. Your filter is now available to everyone you selected. They will get a notification, and they can access that filter right from their own Jira dashboard. No more forwarding links, no more copy-pasting search terms, no more wasted time. So there you go. From now on, whenever you build a useful filter, you know exactly how to get it into your teammates' hands in just a few seconds. Share it, add a note, and move on with your day.